Hey everybody, welcome back to Sparks Fire and Baling Wire. Now where I left off in my last video on this tractor, I was debating really hard about whether or not this was even worth doing it. So I asked all you viewers for some advice, and I got a lot of great advice, and I decided I'm going to go ahead and do her anyway. I know I said this tractor isn't really worth it, and it is going to take a lot of money to get it back usable again, but it would cost even more money to replace it with something else. And I know one of the other reasons I said was this one really don't have the sentimental value. Well, by the time I'm done with it, it will. So we're going to do her anyway. This is going to be a short video today again. I'm testing out a new microphone I got, wireless, so hopefully my audio will be a lot better. And I bought an AC power supply for my camera, so I don't have to worry about batteries going dead on the camera anymore. So hopefully that'll take my sub-mediocre videos up to mediocre videos. You have to let me know what you think of the quality of this one in the comments below. But for today, since I'm running short on time, I think I'm just going to pull this cover off because I've been curious about this for a long time. So I'm going to pull that off, find out what's in there, see why it doesn't want to go in the second gear. Start by getting the tool pull down under here to get rid of any or catch any oil that might come out. Oh, I figured that'd put up a fight. That's amazing. Forks are wore a little, but not too bad. Get a flashlight and look down inside there and see if I can see anything. I'm really not seeing any issues there. Oil's good and clean. I have to drain it out, see if there's any filings in there. I don't know if that's helping or not. Gears look good. I rotated. I don't see any busted ones or anything like that. Oh, maybe it is just that wear on the forks wasn't fully engaging it or something. I'll investigate things further here and see if I can find something, but if not, that's one piece of the puzzle that I guess I'm hopefully not going to have to worry about. Found the drain plug down here. Go ahead and get that out. That oil really is nice and clean. A little bit of sludge here on the drain plug, but there's really nothing for filings on it. So that's a good sign. There's two drain plugs under there. Evidently that one is for the rear end only. So I'll take this one out and that should drain the transmission down. Same thing there, just a real tiny little bit of sludge, and I'm not seeing any metal filings. Okay, the oil's pretty well out of it, still dripping a little bit. definitely clean in the bottom of the case. No filings, no chunks. So I think my next step will be to get that cleaned completely out. And if I feel comfortable with it, I think I'll get a new gasket on there and slap that back on. It looks to me like it's going to be good. Well, like I said, today is just going to be a short one to let everybody know where I'm at. They're one step in the right direction. Since I'm running short on time, though, I'm going to cut her short here today. Next video, I'm probably going to finish pulling the engine apart. See what we got there. I'm not really expecting any surprises there, though, because I can pretty well see everything that's going on with the pan and everything off. I'll get that tore apart in the next video. Get stuff ordered, figure out what I need. Do a whole lot of wire brushing and cleaning. I know this thing looks pretty bad, but it's actually been sandblasted. So this is all just surface rust, so I'm hoping just a good wire brush and a whole lot of elbow grease will get this thing cleaned up, ready for primer and paint. I am going to pull the final drive covers off. I'll probably do that in the next video too. I don't feel like doing it today. Yeah, I will do that in the next video. I don't want to get too far into this today because I'm still not sure how this new mic's going to work, and I don't want to do a bunch of work that I can't go back and redo later if I don't get decent footage of it. So this is as much a test video, I guess, as letting everybody know where it's at. But that's it for now. Stick around for the rest of these videos. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, tell your friends. Catch you next time.